Today's webinar is on green steel, a critical approach towards a sustainable future and the ultimate goal of achieving a net zero economy in the long term. We have spread the entire webinar across these 5 sections. Collectively, they will provide insights into why green steel is vital to the world and how various industry participants are coping with the industry-wide mandates to decarbonize it. The definition of green steel may seem a little vague. However, in a nutshell, it is a sustainable steel manufactured using low carbon energy sources such as hydrogen, coal gasification, or electricity, instead of the traditional carbon intensive manufacturing route of coal-fired plants. The evolution has come a long way from basic coal-fired blast furnaces to direct reduction using hydrogen. Earlier, the decarbonization goals were a result of process improvement, as we know. However, now the decarbonization strategy intensity is being boosted by stringent mandates. So, to achieve a carbon neutral society, efforts are required at a global scale. However, a regional divide exists regarding steel production and associated greenification efforts. Globally, to some extent, basic oxygen furnaces, or BOF in short, have been replaced by the electric arc furnaces, which are also called as EAF. However, the electricity used is generated in fossil fuel-based power plants. Overall, 28% of the total steel produced globally is by using the electric arc furnaces, which is relatively better than the basic oxygen furnaces. In the end, this webinar looks at the gradual transition roadmap for green steel and what we can expect in short to long-term future. The mainstream commercialization of green steel facilities is to move gradually as the industry witnesses availability of green hydrogen at a levelized cost. As per an industry consortium's estimate, for a 0.5 metric ton per annum green steel facility, the electrolyzer capacity is to increase gradually while blending hydrogen to be at 100% 20 years later. The future of green steel is a long-term proposition with a gradual transition toward decarbonization. The change is highly challenged by the availability of hydrogen.